When it comes to traveling, having the correct documents is crucial for a smooth and stress-free experience. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or embarking on your first trip abroad, ensuring that your documents are in order is essential. It can save you from last-minute hiccups, or even worse, being denied entry to your destination. Welcome back to Travelvette. Today, I'm excited to take you on a journey through the often overlooked world of travel documents. Join me as I try to navigate this critical aspect of travel without making any of the common mistakes. Let's see if I can pull it off. So, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell, because you won't want to miss any of our essential travel tips. Let's go. When it comes to traveling, having the correct documents is crucial for a smooth and stress-free experience. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or embarking on your first trip abroad, ensuring that your documents are in order is essential. It can save you from last-minute hiccups or, even worse, being denied entry to your destination. Travel documents are not just about having a passport. They include visas, travel insurance, health certificates, and more. Each destination has its own set of requirements, and being unprepared can lead to unnecessary stress. In today's travel landscape, where regulations can change rapidly, being informed is your best ally. Let's dive into some of the most common mistakes travelers make regarding their documents. One of the biggest blunders is forgetting to check your passport's expiration date before booking a trip. Many countries require that your passport be valid for at least 6 months beyond your intended departure date. To avoid this pitfall, make it a habit to check your passport's expiration date every time you plan a trip. Another frequent error is assuming that you don't need a visa for your destination. Visa requirements can vary widely based on your nationality and the country you are visiting. It might be time-consuming to research these requirements, but it's always better to be safe than sorry. Always check official government websites for the most up-to-date information. You'd be surprised how often travelers face issues due to incorrect name spellings on their tickets or reservations. Even the smallest mistake can lead to significant delays or cancellations. This can happen when booking flights, hotels, or even travel insurance. Make it a point to double-check every document and reservation meticulously to avoid any confusion. Some countries have specific entry requirements, such as proof of onward travel or a minimum amount of cash in your bank account. Failing to provide these documents can lead to denied entry or, in some cases, detention. Always research what documents are necessary for your destination well in advance. Not making digital copies of your essential documents can be a huge mistake. Losing your physical documents or having them stolen can create a nightmare scenario. Having digital copies stored in the cloud or on an encrypted hard drive can serve as a lifesaver, allowing you access to your vital information from anywhere. Now, let's delve deeper into how to avoid these mistakes. Make it a habit to check your passport's expiration date every time you book a trip. If it's nearing expiration, apply for a new passport well in advance. Many countries require your passport to be valid for 6 months after your planned return date. Planning ahead can save you a lot of stress. Don't rely solely on travel agents or airlines for visa information. Always check the official government website of your destination country for the most accurate and current visa requirements. It's also wise to keep printed copies of any visas or travel authorizations you receive. Some countries may require you to show proof of your visa upon entry, so having a physical copy can be crucial. When booking flights or accommodations, take the time to carefully review all details. Double-check the spelling of your name, as well as your travel dates and destinations. It's a simple step that can save you a lot of hassle. If you notice a mistake, contact the airline or hotel immediately to correct it. Research the required documents for your destination well in advance. Make a checklist of everything you need, including visas, proof of onward travel, and any health documents, such as vaccination records. Keep these documents organized in a folder for easy access during your travels. Before you leave for your trip, scan or photograph your important documents, like your passport, visa, and travel insurance policy, and save them securely in the cloud. This way, if anything goes missing, you can access vital information easily. Consider sending a copy to a trusted friend or family member as an additional safety measure. I want to share a story that really drives home the importance of these tips. A friend of mine had been dreaming of visiting her favorite destination for years. She finally booked her flights and accommodations, only to be denied entry at the airport because she made a simple mistake on her visa application. She entered her birth date incorrectly. The consequences were severe. She was forced to return home and reapply for the visa, wasting valuable time and money. The lesson learned: always triple-check every detail, no matter how minor it may seem. It's a painful experience that can be easily avoided with a little attention and preparation. Here are some additional tips to ensure your travel document experience is as smooth as possible. Before every trip, list all the documents you'll need. Include your passport, visas, travel insurance, health documents, and any other required paperwork. This will help you stay organized. There are several travel apps available that can help you manage your documents and itineraries. Apps like TripIt or Google Travel allow you to store all your travel information in one place, making it easy to access when you need it. Before you travel, check for any travel advisories issued by your government regarding your destination. This can provide crucial information about entry requirements, safety concerns, and health regulations. While it may not be a document, having travel insurance can save you a lot of headaches. It can cover trip cancellations, lost luggage, and medical emergencies, giving you peace of mind while you travel. In conclusion, having the correct travel documents is vital for a stress-free trip. By avoiding these common mistakes and following the tips we discussed today, you can ensure a smooth journey and focus on enjoying your travels. So, have you ever made a travel document mistake? I'd love to hear your experiences in the comments below. And if you're looking for more travel tips, don't forget to check out my video on packing essentials for your next trip. Thank you for joining me today, and until next time, happy travels. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips.